Now, I will explain the basic usage of SIF Pro. After turning on SIF Pro, you'll see two modes: observation mode and analysis mode. Let's start with the observation mode. In observation mode, when you enter, the on button in the upper left corner lights up, allowing you to take photos. On the left, there is a brightness adjustment feature, and on the right, there is a split screen button. Place the scope on the area of interest and adjust the focus. Then, press the capture button. After taking a photo, the information about the captured image will appear at the top, and pressing the capture button again will return you to capture mode with the on button. SIF Pro supports 4 lighting modes: normal light, cross-polarized light, parallel polarized light, and ultraviolet. You can change the lighting mode by moving the joystick left or right. Pressing the one-time capture button allows you to observe with the one-time lens. You can use it to observe not only the scalp but also hair and skin. On the right side, you can use the split button and then click the storage button at the bottom to drag and drop the captured photos for comparison observation. It supports both 2 split and 4 split screens, and you can capture images even in split screen mode. Using the tools at the top, you can draw circles, arrows, and use the baseline area tool for length or area comparisons. Now, let's move on to the analysis mode. In analysis mode, you first need to register the customer. Upon entering the analysis mode, read and answer the questions that appear. Press the Start Shooting button. Place the scope on the forehead and follow the example that appears at the bottom while the lighting mode changes automatically. You will have 5 seconds of preparation time before the capture starts. After 3 captures, lower the magnification slider next to SIF Pro from 50 times to 300 times. When changing magnification, the scope's focus may be reset, so use the joystick to adjust the focus. After the 5th capture, the magnification will automatically switch back to 1 time. Follow the example and take the required photos. After completing all the captures, measure the hair thickness and density for hair loss assessment, and select the type of hair loss. For hair thickness, check at least 3 areas for a more accurate average value. For hair density, count the number of hair follicles inside the white box. Select the hair loss type based on the provided images and similarity to the captured photos. The analysis result will be generated based on the captured images and measured values. You can view the analysis result, analysis history, shooting history, and recommend products. In the analysis result window, you can see the captured photos, scalp and hair types, and hair loss type. The analysis history window displays the measured values in a graph by analysis session. In the capture history window, you can see the captured photos in chronological order, and clicking on them will enlarge the images. In the product recommendation window, you can purchase products from the predefined categories. You can also register your own or other company's products. For more details, refer to the manual. Finally, you can easily receive the analysis result via QR code or email. If you choose the QR code option, please enter the password provided in the description to access the analysis result.